Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages. Gypsy Vishtaro sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Sending love, kisses, everything, and what else? Yes, follow on Instagram SSHELLS Essentials running. Also, thank you for donations, subscriptions, and everything. It's appreciated. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, we all like it. The feelings are sincere towards you. Okay, now these are general readings, so may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. But some of you who are dealing with someone, exactly if something is not going so fast and things are, I'm not telling that it's something that is worse or abusive or something like that, no. But something that feels that this person doesn't flirt with you. They don't flirt with you. They don't take out time for you. But all they are thinking about long term, and you possibly don't know. Now, what I saw. Message is gone. It's gone. I'll be back. To be honest, I had to pause the video to focus again. I mean, I can do it on camera, but I do it, but then again, the problem is that if I keep doing like what, and people are going to be, when she's going to speak essay. So I'm going to speak now. Okay. I'm going to speak. Some of you been dealing with possible Libra here, Justice, King of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Not necessarily, there's also a little bit of water. Tick, 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 tick. Could be. Two of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Their feelings are sincere towards you. You people are on break, or possibly you're not allowing, you've distanced yourself. And yes, you're free. You've released someone from your area. The message is feelings, okay, they are hidden. So the message should be hidden, not deleted. Okay, whatever the case is, may it be with you, it is hidden, not telling exactly. You might have done it, or they might have done it, and if not, you have done it. However the situation is, it's hidden, not deleted. So something is not deleted. Okay, like even though it is like I'm not going to, I'm free, but I'm not saying to stay stuck, because you're free and you're moving on from this. You're not expecting anything. Basically, you have done the release. That's what I see. Okay, so the Two of Cups energy is the coming time. The coming time of 2 weeks or 2 weeks. Coming time of 2 weeks. Okay, I'm not going to say 2 hours. Okay, that's not possible. They're saying that's not possible. I can see the numbers. 5. 6, 9. It is about the disturbance that is here is going to get into harmonious relationship with the concept of connectivity of the number 9 of spiritual connection or telepathic connection. If you go in with that, or you can check 5, 6, 9, or maybe this is coming in someone's phone number. If it is coming. Okay, this will not resonate with every one of you. It hurts. It hurts. Someone who is wearing the ring here, it is hurting them. Or someone who is not wearing the ring here is hurting them because they want to wear it. Or maybe because someone does want to give that to someone. It is hurting. So they are going to have exchange of note with you soon. There's a lot of nervousness. There's a lot of push. But the push is still not letting that person come to you. As if like you're standing here, you're here, and the person is like, it's slow, but it is there. So I'm telling you that this is hidden but not deleted. Two of Cups is in order to connect. This is reunion, of course. Reunion, yes. They are close to you. They are already close to you. We're going to see the flip. Wow. Right now, things might be in the Tower moment. Tower moment of the exchange of note might not be that way, or it feels though this is a crumble. It is like I'm not going to allow. It is also something as if like doors are closed. It is also the change that is happening in their life or your life as an individual as well. Like someone is changing home, someone is changing or shifting, someone is, you know, very busy, someone is stuck, someone live where there are so huge buildings and all that stuff. Possible it's a metro, because people are scattered everywhere, right? So not everyone is living in some hilly area, not everyone is living in a small city. Like people are living at different places, things are different. But with the Tower energy, it feels though we are falling, but not exactly. This is unexpected happenings. And this is also about as if like for me illegal, this is an illegal building that should fall. So there's a lightning and things are falling, clearance is coming. Now you need to remove the debris in order to create the new. We're going to see what the Hierophant. It's about breaking. It's about breaking the system, or breaking the norms, or breaking the rules, or not following, or something that's not allowed. Doing something out of, okay? Or some of you are coming out of this thinking of, like it's not expecting anything from this person on a sincere note now. That's when things change. And that's why this is about Tar. For someone, this may be coming as a shock because you're not allowing. And this person is feeling like, what? They're not listening to me. It's like you're not doing what they want you to do, or what you were doing for a very long time. It is like coming out of that zone of like the cloud, the bubble, basically. Like it's like, oh, this person need to come straight or don't come at all, kind of energy. Okay, we're going to see what. Someone is feeling upside down, I'm telling you that. And with the Hierophant reverse, they are stuck somewhere, busy somewhere. If this is just about work or the system or certain organization, yeah, that is also the case. It is also someone who is out of certain relationship or connection, or maybe they are going in for divorces. And maybe someone had the talk of like, you are going to come to me straight, like if you really love me, and if this is the process, and they might have told you that I'm going to get divorced or separated, you know, I've promised. Someone is breaking the promise here, or maybe they are not with the words, or this is also about they are breaking certain deal, or maybe they are into separation. If this is the case, it's illegal or something like that, I won't do anything out of like that. I won't meet you. If this is no commitment, I'm not going in for that, okay? But someone does want to meet you, talk to you, kind of energy as well. Okay, was that a flip? I don't know. Queen of Wands energy. This is going to go back again because I don't know. Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. There might be, okay? Let them go. Let them pass. So, okay, fine. So the energy is also about let them pass. Let them go. Let them be. Let them be. So, okay, fine. Fine, fine. Something is not bothering someone anymore. And that is why someone else is getting bothered. I'm having hiccups, don't mind. I feel as if like something is not bothering you. I also get this energy that some of you might be feeling like being close, missing that person. I want to be, even if we talk, if they're not serious. Do they have the key even to my heart? That kind of energy. King of Pentacles, so possible this is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but it is coming as in kind of weird position. And I feel something feels disorganized right now, or something feels like, okay, even if it is hidden and it's not deleted, fine. I'm not going to exactly wait for the one, but I'm going to just organize myself. Now listen to me. Some of you are not specific about, because it feels though someone is not sincere. You're not letting this person enter in your home even because of the Tower. The change in your thing, the change in your system, the way you talk, the way you act, it's changing for this particular vibe. And that is what is going to create that aura of I want to meet you. Ooh. You are, I heard the word discard. Maybe this is connected with that, what the thing that is not supposed to be inside, you're going to let it go kind of energy, right? You're just let it go. Okay, this is like resignation. You're rejecting, you're not allowing. This is about you felt wounded, and that's why this person is going to feel like left out, or they are feeling left out. Some of you are leaving the places, leaving the thought, leaving the places, leaving the emotions. You know what? Many things are on top of this coming or feeling close to someone. This is emotions. Okay, fine, we like talking to one another. But what is the exact procedure of then going ahead? If this is not marriage, if this is not commitment, if this is not it, it's still this Five of Pentacles. It's done already. Someone is feeling that kind of energy. Okay, you're not going to allow me? No. No. I'm not going to allow you in my home. I'm not going to allow you in my thoughts, because you give me that disorganized aura. We're going to see. What about this person? Okay, I just asked what about this person, and I do feel this is somehow connected in the future vibe of recording time 11:11. This is somehow connected with the future vibe that someone is feeling cold and they want to contact you. Like this vibe is all about you are figuring yourself and your situation out, and even if it is like whatever they never told, it doesn't make sense. Even if it is hidden and it's not deleted, okay, then it is hidden. Let that be. Okay, I'm going to do the same. Okay, till the time you're not organized, what is the purpose of meeting? Like you are denying not to meet, sorry. With Eight of Cups energy, what is with this person? This person is feeling emotionally away, maybe even practically, because there is distance. Maybe they're feeling wounded or left out or cold, or maybe okay, this person is away and they're missing you. Okay, fine. Okay, I told them. So judgment is someone is looking forward to contact you. In the meantime, why? Because you have changed the pattern and the procedure. 12:12 recording time. You've changed the procedure. Okay, the desire is Two of Cups. Even if you want to meet, but you want things right. Because it shouldn't be like once we talk, then you leave. Kind of. I don't want to feel this. People don't want to feel this. I don't want this cold relationship. No. I want warm. I don't want this exchange of like talk of like 1 hour and that's it, you are nowhere to be seen. If you miss me, be consistent. And this is not consistent. So with the Judgment and Knight of Swords energy here, there's going to be callback, okay? The time will come when they are going to ask for your permission. I feel like permission. Something feels off. Nine of Wands energy, and my eyes were on the Hierophant. Someone is not giving you proper answers, with no conclusions, with no commitment, with no clarity. I'll be back. I had to pause, there was something passing, okay? The disturbance. So there may be disturbance. I mean, someone who is not clear and they don't know what exactly. I like talking to you. I love talking to you. I love spending time with you. But that's a small stay, honey. We don't want small stay. We want full stay. We want you. We want us to be together. Nine of Wands energy is that you doubt this person because there is no clarity and there is no commitment. And if you doubt, if you don't believe, you should not believe. And the King of Pentacles. And in that way, I also feel like with this person's vibe, King of Pentacles, someone is trying really hard in their own life, because we have to pick all the energies, right? Someone is, like, you are there, okay? If you want to talk to me, say. But here, King of Pentacles, if this is this person's energy, you don't want to disturb them, and they are busy building something up. And right now, they're not ready to come up with this, okay? So it does go with that as well, okay? This is like, you doubt me? Like, no, I don't doubt you. I doubt this connection, okay? You have King of Swords energy. Right now the mode is all about very straightforward talk. It's like no action, no reaction, nothing. If this is from your side. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Something feels unsettled and something that you are trying to organize in your thoughts again. And it is also about right now. If you're not ready, don't even say anything. That's okay. You're free. You're freed someone here, I feel. Look, you've freed someone. You're freeing yourself from emotions. This may be Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. With the Five of Pentacles, this is connected with the person, I feel. And if it is about, then you are there, but then again, this person is looking forward to meet you. But they know that this Five of Pentacles is so disturbing. They are having that fear. They are feeling wounded and left out emotionally as well. They don't know what is up because they doubt this situation, like the way you do. They may be feeling that this is the end. And you've been connecting. Look, Six of Cups. Scorpionic vibe as well. They are thinking of making big, but the problem is like someone is feeling emotionally either kind of like ignored or rejected, which is, I don't like the word reject, to be honest, but whenever please ignore the sound. Whenever it feels though that your application is rejected, it hurts. It hurts. I don't like the word rejection. But then this does make us strong. Okay? They are feeling wounded and they miss you. I'm telling you that. That's why you have Eight of Cups energy. Emotional distance, financial problems, technical things, lot of stuff, even distance. Oh my God, distance is creating such trouble. Queen of Pentacles is repeating. Some of you might be dealing with the one, but this is also the energy of rebuilding something. They're looking forward to bring grounding to the connection. And they are trying to bring grounding in their own life as well. They are figuring out how to manifest those emotions that feel though broken. Or discontent zone. This is also someone who is preparing themselves in order to approach you in the right way, in right order, okay, in the coming time. So whatever is hidden, they have hidden feelings, not deleted. So they are trying to store it well, and they are also trying to approach with right format, okay. What is in their heart for you? What's in their heart for you? What is in their heart for you, Page? Now, whatever is in their heart, I don't want to spy right now. Okay, we should not. We should stop. That's their secure zone, and they are going to tell you a lot of stuff because it's dot, 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 dot. They have a lot of stuff to tell you. They have love. Pages, basically love. And then the time is going to come to believe. Time to believe. Just believe right now. Believe that things are going to manifest in proper order. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.